Number 3.
Number 3.
We're looking forward to this one, eh?
Yep. Should be good.
You love the
Fingers
walks.
crossed.
Actually, by the way, it's Waterfalls too. I think there's a sign there. Then we trip over.
Every glance I lose my ground. Your touch binds me. I'm spellbound, craving deep. I need your hold. Say my name, it never gets old. Pull me closer, make me stay. Keep this fire. Don't let me down. Hold me close. Carry me around. Keep me high. I need you now. Lost in your love. I can't get
The wheel wasn't far from here because it said it was only an extra 100 metres. Give us a wave.
me free. Every breath takes over me. Keep it burning, fuel the fire. With you here, you lift me.
Oh, but crystal clear.
Stay forever, never let me go. I need this rush, just let it flow. Keep me high, don't let me down. Hold me close, carry me around. Keep me high, I need you now. Lost in your love, I can't get addicted to your touch. No, I can't get enough. Take me deeper, lock me tight. Every move owns me tonight. Keep me high, never let me fade. Every heartbeat calls your name. Keep me high, rise when you call. In your arms I surrender. Keep me high, no fear, no disguise. I'm forever lost in your eyes. Keep me high, yeah, you keep me high. Together we rise above the night. Higher, higher, higher.
Bridge.
Keep me high.
Completed number 3 for the day.
Yep, one more to go.
What did you rate it? My favourite by far. Today and since we've been to Tassie.
It was pretty good.
Very good. Lots of tears. Anyway, off to the next.
Yeah. I'm thinking that I can just We're now reversing because we're down a track trying to find Ferntree Falls with no success. Hopefully we get back. Alright, we couldn't find Ferntree.
No, there's no sign. We went to maps, but nothing, no track.
So we've done 3 out of 4.
Has been found. The boss, the wife, She ain't coming. Not signposted, but we found this little sign on the tree right there. Solo. Solo walk. Not successful. When I got to the end of the track, I ran into a roundabout which just brought me back the other way. So, not successful at all. Geez, it would have looked nice.